Dear student, we will see the first unit of Advanced Computer Network, Network Layer and Protocols. These are the outcome of the first unit. Explain significance of the given field in the packet format of Internet Protocol. Implement IP addressing for the given network. Explain significance of the given field in the packet format of ICMP version 4. Explain the given inefficiency in mobile IP. Topic of this chapter, IP addressing. The first topic is IP addressing. Address space notation, class full addressing, classless addressing, network address translation. So we will see the first point, IP addressing. IP addressing is the method used to identify host and network devices. The IP version 4 device address is a 32-bit address and it is used for defining the connection of host or router to the internet. IP addresses are unique in the sense that each address defines one and only one connection to the internet. Two devices on the internet can never have the same address. All the IP version 4 addresses are 32-bit long and they are used in the source address and destination address field of the IP header. It defines three fields: class type, net ID and host ID. Class type identifies the class of IP address. Net ID identifies the network on which a host computer can be found. Host ID identifies a specific device on the network indicated by the network ID. Let us see the example of this class type, net ID and host ID. If you found a 128.11.3.31, it is a class type of class A, and net ID is 128.0.0.0 and host ID is 11.3.31. We have already seen this in last semester. We are just going to repeat this IP addressing here also. Let us see the address space and notation. An address space is total number of addresses used by the protocol. If a protocol uses n bit to define an address, the address space is 2 raised to power n. As IP version 4 is 32-bit, the address space is 2 raised to power 32, that much number. Theoretically, if there were no restrictions, more than 4 billion devices could be connected to the internet. Right now, near about 4 billion connections can be possible. There are common three notations in IP version 4 address: binary notation, dotted decimal, hexadecimal notation. In binary notations, the IP version 4 address is displayed as 32-bit. Each octet is often referred to as a byte. Each byte called octet because each decimal number represents an byte or 8-bit. In dotted decimal, to make the IP version 4 address more compact and easier to read, an IP address is usually written in decimal form with a decimal point, that is dot, separating the bytes. This format is referred to as dotted decimal notation. Example is 193, 30, 131, 27, 255. We sometimes see an IP address is hexadecimal notation. Each hexadecimal digit is equivalent to 4 bits. This means that a 32-bit address has 8 hexadecimal digits. This notation is often used in network programming. Let us see classful addressing. The IP address space is divided into 5 classes. When started a few decades ago, used the concept of classes. This architecture is called classful addressing. In the mid-1960s, a new architecture called classless addressing was introduced that supersedes the original architecture. In classful addressing, the IP address space is divided into 5 classes. class A, class B, class C, class D, class C. In class A, since only one byte is by defining the net ID and the leftmost bit should be 0, the next 7 bits can be changed to find the number of blocks. Therefore, class A is divided into 2 raised to power 7 equal to 128 blocks that can be assigned to 128 organizations. In class B, the network length is 16 bits. Since 2 bits 1 and 0 defines the class, we can have only 14 bits as the network identifier. Therefore, class B is divided into 2 raised to power 14 blocks that can be assigned to 16,384 organizations. In class C, since 3 bytes in class C, the class and the 3 leftmost bits 110 should be fixed. The next 21 bits can be changed to find the number of blocks in the class. This means there are only 2 raised to power 21 networks can have a class C address. Class D and class E, there is just one block of class D address not divided into net ID and host ID. It is used for multicast address. Class C, it is reserved for experimental purpose, only for R&D and study. This class is not equipped with any subnet mask. Let us see the IP addressing in class A. As you know that first 1 bit is used to determine the class to which an address belongs. This is the type of class, and 7 bits are used for network address. So this is network address and this one is host address. So this is net ID and this is host ID. So total networks can be 2 raised to power 7 and that is equal to 128. But as number 0 is not used and number 127 it is not used and 127 is used for testing loopback of each host, so it is reserved. So total 126 means 128 minus 2 equal to 126 potential class A network number which have a dotted decimal number in the range 1 to 126. Now 24 bits are host bits. Therefore, each class A network have 2 raised to power 24, that is equal to 16,777,216 host. Class A is not available to the general purpose and it is restricted to special uses. Let us see class B. We know that the first 2 bits are 1 and 0. It defines the type of class, that is class B. The first 2 bits, after that the next 14 bits identify the net ID and last 16 bits identify the host. So this is host bits and this is net bit. So net ID and host ID. There are thousands of class B network. Each class B network can have thousands of hosts. First 2 bits are used to determine the class to which an address belongs. For class B address, 14 bits are used for network address. Therefore, the number of class B network can be 2 raised to power 14 and that is equal to 16,384. So this is the number, potential class B number which have first dotted decimal number in the range 128 to 191. This is the range for class B. And 16 bits are used for host address, the last 16 bits. Therefore, each class B network can have 2 raised to power 16, that is a 65,512 536 host. Let us see class C IP address. We know that the first 3 bits identifies the class C, that is 110. Next 21 bits are for network address. These are total 24 bits is for net ID in class C, and remaining 8 bits are for host ID. These are the host ID. As the first 3 bits are used to determine the class to which an address belongs, 21 bits are used for network address. Therefore, the number of class C network can be 2 raised to power 21, that is 2097157. This much potential class C network number which have a first dotted decimal number in the range 192 to 223. This is the range for class C. Now, the 8 bits are used for host address, that is the last 8 bits. These are last 8 bits. 2 raised to power 8, that is 256 host. So 256 hosts are there in class C.